Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study university mathematics effectively. To truly succeed, active engagement is key. Make sure to attend all your lectures and actively participate by asking questions. Review your lecture notes within 24 hours to solidify new concepts. Always try to work through example problems on your own before looking at the solutions. This approach helps you identify and understand the core mathematical principles. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for mastering university mathematics. Don't just read about math, do math. Solve a wide variety of problems from your textbooks and past exams. Aim for at least 1 hour of dedicated practice every single day. When faced with a complex problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Remember, it's okay to seek help from tutors or study groups when you get stuck. Beyond just solving problems, strive for a deep conceptual understanding. Focus on understanding the why behind a concept, not just memorizing the how. Utilize supplementary resources such as online tutorials or different textbooks to gain new perspectives. Creating concept maps or flashcards for key definitions and theorems can be incredibly helpful. A great way to solidify your own comprehension is to explain difficult topics to others. When it comes to exams, preparation is paramount. Begin your exam preparation well in advance, ideally several weeks before the test, not just the night before. Simulate exam conditions by completing timed practice tests to build speed and accuracy. Review all your previous assignments and quizzes to identify any common error patterns. Finally, maintain a positive mindset and manage stress effectively. A calm mind performs best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.